Hi everyone, in this video we're taking a look at other ways of using our herbal tisanes and some fun projects you can try with them at home. Tisanes are really versatile as an ingredient in cooking, and since they're caffeine free, they're great as an alternative to tea. They can be infused into things like ice cream, syrups, cocktails, and as fun additions to baking. Today we've made some herbal jellies and I'm here with Matthew to do a taste test. We've made some hibiscus infused with gojis and finger lime and gelatin. We've also got some chamomile with agar-agar powder. So how we made it is we've infused the herbal ingredients by using the biodegradable bags. So I filled it with about 3 grams of each of these individually. You can blend them as well, but filling it individually gives you the true flavor of each one. And it's more fun to have different trays like this with different flavors. So after we fill it, we'll infuse it like normal herbal teas. I left it in the fridge overnight. So we have about 8 ounces here. And after they chill overnight and they become a lot stronger, you would add a tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of agar-agar powder. This tends to work really well if you make it a little bit thicker. So you mix it in with the tisane herbal tea, and then to fill the trays, what we want to make it really pretty is, Matthew can help me, mommy do this, okay? Put 2 or 3 gojis into the tray. Then we'll add some of the herbal tisane, the herbal tea in, okay? Do you want me to help you with this? Okay, oh, that's good. Okay, so we'll fill this. That's enough, okay. And after letting it sit for a few hours in the refrigerator, you'll get this. And I've placed some saran wrap over it. So to take them out, what you want to do is flip this around and just squeeze them out, because with agar-agar it's very easy to take them out. With gelatin to make jello, it's a little firmer, so what you would want to do is dip it in some hot water first, and then when you turn it, it's easier for the cubes to come out. Same for the ones that are in this heart-shaped tray, yes. So let's try it, okay. You have one in your dish, so mommy's going to try mine here. These are really pretty. When you pop them out, they're translucent. It looks like a little jewel. So with the gojis, it's nice to have a little color in it, but it also gives you a really nice taste when you have the berries melt in your mouth as well. If you want to learn more about herbal tisanes, visit our website, redblossomtea.com.
And subscribe to our YouTube channel.